Hey YouTube, HDE-Tech here with another unboxing of the Pixel G1s RGB video light. It's basically an LED, an RGB LED light for your vlogging camera. In my case, it's gonna be the Canon M50, and let's basically dive into it. Take a look at the cold shoe for your shotgun mic. So it doesn't take over all of your, basically it avoids the need of a small rig cage. So let's dive into it. Let's employ our Swiss Army knife and dive deep. I think that's enough. It feels like an iPhone unboxing. All right, let's get rid of this. So this is the light itself. It's got quite a few modules inside. Let's see what else comes with it. Some documents. Oh, a nice little pouch to throw it in your camera bag. Your big screw, okay, perfect. Charging cable, put these away, and let's take a look at this. Oh, neat. All right, let's attempt to, yeah, there you go. So basically, you can use these screws to set up the light on your camera and maintain that shoe for your shotgun mic. So what I'll do is I'll charge this up and I'll install it on my M50 and kind of give you a quick rundown after the fact. This is the back side of it. As you can see, it's RGB and it goes from, it's got a built-in dimmer and functions. It's got an LCD screen for your use. Let's see if it's got any juice. It does have some juice, yeah. So as you can see, it dims. And right now it's really warm. I mean, it's a yellow light. And then let's see. There you go. 7,000 Kelvin, all the way up to 8,500 Kelvin. I mean, it is blue. It's got a blue light. I don't want to shine it into the camera because I don't want to blind you guys. But yeah, so let's go down to, oh my goodness, this is full on yellow. This is 2,500. So it's got a range of 2,500 Kelvin all the way up to 8,500 Kelvin. I would say that's a great range to enhance your filming in your vlogs, given the circumstances. Alrighty, great. Well, stand by for a full-on setup rig with my new M50, Canon M50, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much.